Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to drive the Lamborghini Huracan, and after that it will just be a video of me driving the car around Dubai. Okay, so first things first, put your foot on the brake, lift up this switch here, and then press the start stop button. Okay, so once you start up the car, you'll see that the car will start in park. And let me put on my seatbelt first. Okay, so how do you switch gears in this car? You can see there are a few buttons here. This is basically all the gear controls. So this is reverse, R is reverse, P is park, M is manual, and auto toggle. So first things first, if you want to go into reverse, just put your right foot on the brake as in a normal car and pull this lever up. And as you can see, the R lettering becomes big and your reverse camera comes up. So the car is in reverse. And if you want to put it back to park, you just press this P button over here. Okay, press it harder, and yeah, it will go back to park. And how do you put the car in neutral? So all you have to do is just pull these two pedals back together at the same time, like so, and the car will be in neutral. Okay, go back to park, just press this P button here. And okay, so that's park, reverse, and neutral. Now how do you put the car in drive? Very simple. Put your foot on the brake and you just pull this right lever. This is the pedals here. On the left is for downshift, on the right is for upshift. So you just pull the pedal, the upshift pedal, and you can see that the car shifts to gear 1, and there's an A over here. What this A stands for is automatic. So this means that the car is now in automatic mode, meaning you don't have to shift the gears yourself. So let me demonstrate. I'm gonna move off. Okay, you can see the gears shift by themselves. So now I'm in gear 2 and there's a car in front of me, so I can't go fast. But yeah, basically you get the idea. And if you wanna, let's say you're moving off and it's in auto and you want to change it to manual, what you can do is, as you're driving, just press this M button here and the car will switch. The A will disappear, and that means the car is in manual. It means you have to shift the gears yourself. So let me demonstrate. I'm gonna go into reverse. Alright, go back to 1, just press the pedal shift. Now it's in A, it's in auto, and I'm gonna press this M here, and you can see the A disappears, and that means the car is now in manual. So you have to shift it yourself. So yeah, that's about it. Very simple.